I got a present. I got a present. I got a present. Hey, 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 hey.
I'll put this right here. I want to keep it.
Donations?
No.
You got, oh no.
What?
You got me pretty pajamas too.
That's perfect for me.
Let me see what you get. Those are going to be perfect for you. They got all the princesses.
Ariel for some reason.
That's because Ariel's a fish and not a princess.
She's a mermaid.
Hey,
That's right.
you did good picking those out. Ariel was the one that picked those out. She knew what to get.
Woohoo! Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, show me, show me, show me. Kenzie. Mackenzie. Hello. Lovely. I love it. Open the other present real quick so that way Mommy can take this awesome possum.
I'm opening this anyway.
Bless you.
Oh, hey! Look, it's a phone. I didn't see that coming.
What a little snot you are.
Pictures!
Yeah, show us.
It's a smartphone.
Are you going to be able to handle a smartphone?
No, I'm not going to be able because it's a smartphone.
What'd you get? Show me.
I got a Jack in the gingerbread box.
Let me see. Let me see, let me see.
Let's go to music.
That, you know what? I'm not sure if that's actually what's in here. Maybe we should open it.
Okay. It's got the music on it. You can download all the unlimited music and. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna cry. Tell us what the song.
My fear is that you will never go to school again.
This is my new school. How can you get it to go out?
Keep spinning. Keep spinning.
What is it?
It's a gingerbread box. Keep spinning.
Oh.
Come on.
Music box.
There we go.
Check. My life is complete. Okay.
It's got the traditional classic song. If I shut this one off.
Keep going, babe.
But you know what? I can't roll.
Yes, you can. No, that was cheating. Do it again. Do it again.
He opens, but I can't. It's a chest! Look, Pop, I can! It really was!
It was a gingerbread.
But you cheated. You just popped open the top.
Is this music? Is this actually a phone?
It's just a music player.
Because it says music and
There you go.
anything else.
Alright, now do it again.
Real?
What? Look, I told you it's one of those things that you have to pull and you have to... Mommy! I didn't cheat and it just popped.
Too cool.
I'll tell you what you're supposed to do right from the start.
Alright, what do you tell Daddy?
Thank you.
And?
I love you. Merry Christmas.